Welcome to SK Trading Live. The stream will be starting shortly.
Where's Denny? Okay. All right. Got it. Gotta put the camera on. Hey, what's up, everybody? Waiting for Denny. Do you understand that pattern? S&P is reverse sell on the 15.
Yeah.
That's okay. It correlated with the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Negative MACD from above. You short the first bounce on the 15.
Yeah.
It dropped 20 handles. That's strategy.
Yeah.
And NASDAQ dropped to 130 at the end of the day.
Yeah.
All right, where's Denny? There he is. Careful here. Yeah. Hey, Denny. Denny. Can you hear me? Got it. What's up, Denny? Double red short, just dropped 5. You there, Denny? You want to play the sound, the clip? Hello?
What up, Ellen? Steven?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Double red short. See? On a sell disconnect.
Yeah.
5 correlates with the 1530. That's the piece.
I think it's gonna push the
92 for sure.
Yeah.
There we go.
Gold?
Just 1 micro.
Nice. Nice. Hit a 92, hopefully.
Gold?
Yeah. Gotta break. They did 5.
I think it's too short. S&P's, what a short. What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How are you tonight?
All right, good. What happened? You don't feel too well, good buddy?
I think we're all just coming out of a cold.
Got to move to Florida, brother. It's a little warmer here. Well. What a day. They finally, at the end of the day, the 60-minute time frame, they cabooshed them. I'll tell you, they absolutely cabooshed them. Unbelievable. S&Ps were up, trading 68, 57, 58, and at the end of the day, they got absolutely cabooshed. Unbelievable. How was everybody here today? How was everybody here today? Goals are short.
You'll never believe it, but
No. How bad?
not bad. But
Oh wow. What do you got? The flu? Well, I have this little moment here. I want to just going to show people this little strategy here. There's two strategies here actually on the S&Ps. You can see the 30-minute time frame reversing to sell here exactly at 4 o'clock. Right here, you can see here they reversed to sell. And what do you look to do when the algorithm is negative on the 15 and the 30? You can see the first bounce. Be careful with this gold. Fives are going to turn down. And then you can see here, right? You can see here the you can see the first bounce on the 15-minute. What a short, beautiful pattern into the negative MACD. Look at that, 68.35 got absolutely cabooshed. And then I'll show you another great strategy. This is called a double red short. Oh man, look at the gold. You long? Be careful. Okay, and then this is called a double red short on the 5. I tried to short that gold actually. And then you got the 5-minute time frame reversing to sell right here. Okay, and you short the first bounce on the 5-minute. Here's 1, here's 2. S&P is 22 all the way down to 16. All right, let's see what happened here. Gold, beautiful pattern here. Okay, everybody, how is everybody today? This is a pencil down pattern on gold. You see this pencil down? You can see the move here on gold. Okay, got all the way down, dropped almost 19, and then what you do is you try to you short the next bounce right here, 82 into the negative MACD, gets absolutely cabooshed, and then you short the first bounce on the 5-minute on the gold. He has another good short on gold, 86. I was at 86 and a half on that. Okay, good job, everybody. How is everybody today? So many people have signed up for my free 7-day free trial, just absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. Absolutely killing it. So there goes the gold getting cabooshed. Still long? Be careful.
Yeah, I'm about.
That's a set
Barbie, you
strategy.
can come and hold the baby. You can come hold the baby, Barbie.
Oh.
Thank y'all. It is a girl, by the way. It's not a boy. I know someone asked that.
Who asked that?
Someone. Let me see. Adam. Adam was like, boy or girl? She is a girl. Her name is Elani. Elani.
Nope. All right. There goes the gold. Go. Oh my God. Gold's getting cabooshed. Just you're out.
Yes. Yep, it needs to be filled.
Yes, Ethan, you should.
Yeah, it's, ooh.
I was off an 86 and a half. The high was 86.10 on that. How is everybody today here? ICT NGL. How is everybody here? Oh, this is a caboose. If this gold gets down to the 65 and a half, 72 and a half range, I look to buy it here.
72,
Yeah.
73, 4.
That's where it's going.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking 72 and a half. It's going to be there any minute.
Break up truck.
Nice. Anyway, that was the pattern. The first bounce on the 15. On the 15 to get short. Just all right. Anybody new here today? Please put a 1. Hey, son of Wall Street, how are you? One trade T, how are you? Unbelievable. What a day today. What a day. 60-minute time frame at the end of the day. You could not believe it, but unbelievable pattern off the 60-minute time frame. We waited all day for it.
Big.
What did it get down to?
70. Needed to be filled.
72.20?
Mm-hmm.
Got out some longs here. If you bought them, Lenny.
No, I missed
Oh, come on.
I was waiting.
it at 73.10.
Wow. If you long the gold, I'd kick it out. You have to start scaling. Are you bid it? You bid it?
Yeah.
Okay. You get it?
Yeah, I got 6.
Okay, good. Good. Scale out along there on the gold, just ran 4. S&P's just got cabooshed. NASDAQ cabooshed. Anybody get that long? 72.51 I'm waiting on gold. Chicken Trader just got down there. What are you talking about? So this is the 60-minute time frame we're looking at all day. All day. You can see the push up here, the push up. The MACDs could not could not confirm the highs. And you got an absolute caboose at the end of the day. Anybody get that long on gold? Just push down there. Again, got a little buy divergence here. Pushing down to new lows. MACDs cannot confirm. All right. If this gold gets down to the 63.5, 1.5 range, I'll be a buyer. Good job, Brinks. 400 on that gold long. Good job, my brother. Good job. Get a caboose in here. All right. You were short the whole time. This was a great short when you walked in. You see the 15s reversing to sell here. The 30s reversing to sell. Okay. You can see the 30s here. 30s are in buy. 60s. Okay. Still in buy mode here. You got to wait. If these 30s take out this number here, whoop, the 30s take out the 3970.75. Look out below. All right. Again, if you bought the gold, I would kick it out. Bought the gold. Bought the gold. Are you out?
Me?
Okay. You bought more? Good. Ooh, very, very quiet. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? Anybody new? Why are you long NASDAQ, Jay? Umar Ali, how are you? What up, Caboose crew? Crack?
Good?
Yeah, I'm showing.
All right. John Santos, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. I talked to Aaron before. Joey Adams, Milton Barossi, Leon. If you anybody wants a 7-day free trial to my live stream, just text me, full name and email, 914-500-7484. All right. Right in there. Now, the reason why I said to buy the gold was the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still in buy mode, and when you made a new low here, the MACDs cannot confirm. Okay? The MACDs cannot confirm.
1100.
You made it?
Yeah. Nice.
bought more down there.
Oh, yeah.
I had to tell you to buy it.
I was waiting for that gap to get filled anyways.
I know, but you bought it too early.
I know, but
I know.
I had already profited in
You
it.
got to be patient. The 5s are turning down and the
I know.
15s.
I'm learning from the best.
I know, but let's go, Artan. I mean, it's like you got to pick the perfect spot. You got to strike like that cobra, right? So listen, just imagine this, right? You got a gigantic tank, and you got a monster python in there.
Yeah.
You drop a rabbit in that tank. That python knows it can get that rabbit anytime,
That's true.
right? But what's that python going to do?
Take his time.
He's going to wait for that dumbass rabbit to keep
come
sniff his nose and go like that.
Right. And I'm
Right.
pretty good at, just.
That's what you got to be. You got to be that python ready to strike. That's what I'm talking about, my brother. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Come on, everybody. Come on, Artan.
Come on, Artan, get your.
Come on. He just had a. You know what it is? He's all lazy. He just had a meal like he was on death row. That's why. Artan ate like he was on death row just now. What'd you have? The grouper?
Yeah. But no, I had the snapper.
Snapper.
Yeah.
That was a good meal, though.
It was a really good meal.
I was shocked as shit my friend paid for me, for all of us.
I mean, when he said you gave the credit,
I thought it was you.
No, I mean, I was going to.
No. I was paying, but my friend, I didn't. He came in like a hobo.
On the way in.
He came in like a hobo.
It would have been half a candle, Steven. You know?
I know. He's such a good man. He got such a good heart. That guy. You have no idea.
Seems like a very nice
Really.
Yeah.
Come on, just ask. It's like, baby.
All right. Anybody get that gold long?
Yeah. Which is gonna break.
Oh, I like to see the market drop, and then pray to God that the markets will rise to turn green in every country and for the global companies. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna miss.
Ethan, I don't know what you're talking about. I think that might be it, Artan.
What?
The top here, 78, 79.
Yeah.
Just made 800 whistleblower. Good job. All right. I say he ate like he was on death row. I didn't say he was on death row. Oh my God.
I hope not.
I don't know. Whatever. If you were on death row, whatever crime you did, I don't want to know you.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be on TV. Want the baseball?
Yeah. Playing with that thing.
The dog almost ate it from you.
Really? Yeah, I know, man.
He wants to play with that ball. All right.
Let's go, baby.
Come on, S&Ps just rallied here. Market's gonna get kabooshed.
Kaboom.
What a rally today! All the way up to 68, 57, 57, 58, and then they absolutely kabooshed them at the end of the day. You want to see a great kabooshin here? Look at this great kabooshin here. All right, look at this great kabooshin. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Then this is the push up for the 15-minute time frame. Unbelievable. All right, anybody new here today? If you're new, okay, and you have not received my 7-day free trial, you're more than entitled to get a 7-day free trial from me. Just text me your full name and email, and you will receive one. Okay, you will receive a free 7-day free trial. Okay? Hey Frank, how are you? Jeffrey? All right. 3:48. I'm right here. I'm right here. All right, so let's see if the 30 and 60-minute time frames are still in buy mode. I'm in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Jupiter Beach, Florida. Good job, Frank. What you caught the short on the S&Ps? All right. Yeah, I think I don't know. A lot of people think about leaving New York City. Michael, good job. Michael Lenz up over 800. Great job, Michael Lenz. Oh, S&Ps just got kabooshed. Oh. I know Bitcoin rallied up to almost 104,000 today at one point. Good job, Frank, on the short. Good job.
Get myself engaged in.
Oh, yeah, New York City. I'm glad I'm out of there.
Yeah.
There's your 80, Arton.
Yep. He's getting.
I think it just got up to 81 and change. I passed my first funded account today. Congratulations, Joshua Torres. Congratulations. No, no, no. I hope they don't come down here and vote blue. No way. I don't. I hope not. There's 82, Arton. You still long?
Yeah, no,
All right, good.
1100.
What's wrong with that?
No, no, I'm not complaining.
Where do I think gold's going to go today? I think gold is probably going to be in a range here. 38.70, maybe the 38.90 range, in that range. I think it's going to be stuck in a range.
We should go.
There goes the gold right back up.
We'll see.
Six, seven.
Good job, Paul, on the long. Hey, Kevin. What?
You don't have silver.
No, nobody looks at silver anymore. I mean, I had it up for a couple of days, but, you know.
Dead.
That pullback on the gold on the 5, okay, that pullback on the gold on the 5, is MACD divergence stronger than this? Well, it's in all honesty, it's a combination of both. It's not one takes precedent over the other. All right. Okay. I've been talking about divergences forever. All the strategies are based upon divergences. So basically, on that push down on the 5 minute time frame on the gold, okay, the 30 and 60 minute time frames were still in buy mode, okay, and then when you push down here, the new lows, right here, right, the MACDs couldn't confirm the low on the 5 minute, so you had a little bit of a buy divergence there. And if you look at the 30 minute, MACDs are negative, so it's going to be hard for gold to rally with that negative MACD there. If you look at the 60 minute here, MACDs are positive, so MACDs could not confirm the low on the 60 and on the 5 minute time frame. So, little by little, little by little, little by little. Little by little. I don't know. You got to ask Denny that question. If you get a 7-day free trial, Aaron sends them out the next day. Okay.
Byte Logic Systems. Yeah, if y'all won last night, just put a support ticket in, please. They'll get it sent out to you ASAP.
The pullback was not on the 15. The pullback on that was off the 5 minute. Is Bitcoin a short? Bitcoin is still, if Bitcoin reverses and takes out the 102,700, Bitcoin will, this 30-minute time frame will reverse the sell. But I'll show you, if you see Bitcoin here, you can see Bitcoin on the sell disconnect pattern on the 30-minute. If you see the push up like this into this negative MACD, that's a bear flag right there. You can see the overbought condition into the negative MACD, 104,000, boom, dropped 1,100. That's the 30, the 15s are negative, right? Look at that beautiful bear flag, okay? The 60 minutes bullish, so you have what's called a buy disconnect. So when the 30 got overbought, this into the negative MACD, that was a nice short pattern right here on Bitcoin. All right, you're on the Bitcoin short. Good job. Okay, there goes gold. S&Ps, wow, right back down. What?
There was a big drop on EQ.
That,
What the hell?
oh, what's going on? This Trump's gonna. I was just listening. Trump's gonna win that Supreme Court battle. Trump's gonna win that Supreme Court battle on tariffs. What I think.
I think
Because they're saying regulated. That there's a wide definition of what regulation means. All right, 408 tonight. Again, if anybody new, you could text me and get a free 7-day free trial. 914-500-7484. Nasdaq Kabushin. Yep. NFP. News, Stephen? That could be weeks from the Supreme Court. No, I think I heard they were making closing arguments today. Who knows? S&P just dropped 10 in the last 15 minutes. What is the future of the trading, Stephen? Any comment? I think you're going to see a lot, what, volatility-wise? I think you're going to see a lot of volatility.
616.
I think you're going to see a lot of volatility. Every country in the world changes tariffs. Why shouldn't the U.S. be able to? I hear you. I hear you. Denny, how you feeling, Denny?
Market went up.
Not the greatest.
S&P's making new low. Oh, gold, Jesus, just got kabooshed. Oh, Bitcoin get killed. We've had a lot of bear sounds. We haven't had a bull sound in a while.
We haven't had anything that pushed up really hard.
Nasdaq kaboosh 50 points. Yep. Well, this is the pattern on the Nasdaq here. Again, they both had the exact same pattern before we got in here. The 5s correlating with the 15, the 5s reversing to sell, correlating with the 15 and 30, and then this is a really nice short. First bounce. ADX is a rising, big selling pressure. If you want to take a scalp long on the S&Ps, I'm going to put some here. 06 and, let's see if it gets down to the 06 and a half. What's it, 05 and a half? Probably go 99 and a half to 05 and a half range. Scalp long if it gets another down. Where's the gap?
Oh.
Oh, gold. Gold gets down to the 69 and a half, 76 and a half. Probably look to buy it here on the gold. You got the 30 and 60-minute time frames in buy mode. What's the low here? Actually, I think I'd like to see it go lower. I'd cancel that.
Microsoft letting employees rise after Middle East.
Yes.
Good, thank you.
Kobe,
Mm-hmm.
you got you long gold?
Yeah, no, I know.
You're long?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
26.
Okay. S&Ps just ran 4, up 20 on the Nasdaq. Well, the good thing about the Nasdaq futures, if you look here, Artan, you got the 60-minute MACDs positive here, and you got buy divergences.
Nasdaq is going holding this because I'm mad.
See that? See the MACDs not confirming here?
That means it's going higher, right?
Well, yeah. Plus, I think, yeah. I mean, I like to see if it gets down.
It's gonna go 73.
I didn't buy dinner tonight. S&Ps just ran 5 on that.
This more tonight. Before.
S&P's up 6.
Oof, oof.
All right.
I want to make four.
Good evening. Hey, trade flows. What's your take on automated bot trading? I don't know. You got what different firms have them. I'd be really careful with them. I'd be really careful. 2 nice shorts on the Nasdaq. All right, you had 2 nice shorts, 1940 and about 740 and 8 o'clock. Vaughn 53 says, our time we're eating.
Oh, yeah. Vaughn?
Vaughn.
knows, yeah.
Vaughn 53.
Vaughn is our actually.
There you go.
Sure. Vaughn and
S&P's up 7, NASDAQ up 30. Almost 40 now on the NASDAQ. Where you long, 27?
yeah. Oh, 70.
The long 73?
Oh, I'm 26.
Yeah.
Yeah, my average is 26. I mean, you know, that's.
All right, this is the link. Denny's posting the link for the drawing for later.
I'm giving y'all until 9 o'clock. That's more time than what I usually do. That's about 30 minutes away. After that, I'm unpublishing the link. Unpublishing it. Please don't ask me once it's unpublished. Steven, at 9:15, is it cool if I pick 5 winners and then another 5 at
Yeah, that's
9:45?
absolutely fine. That's good. See if these 15s get a little bit overboard here. Can you show the ES chart? Yeah. For a sec? Sure, Lil Ru. Very, very quiet here today. Try to put a bid on the S&P's too. Be going 76?
Yeah,
It could get there.
73, 70.
Get
Take
there.
one out.
Running along.
Huh?
Big ones?
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Come on.
He's going to get to 17, 18. That should bring the NASDAQ up to 73.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Very quiet. Very quiet. Yeah. There you go. There goes the NASDAQ. There go S&P's up 8.
2 gaps they need to be filled.
Audio's on, John Fonts. Audio's on.
Is that like 300 drives?
Shit, that's we don't want to do two times.
That's great.
If 75 holds, I think we'll go all the way.
You could, because the 30s can turn up here. Audio's fine. Caboose Gold, nothing. Gold's doing nothing except that one low long. S&P's ran 8. NASDAQ just went from 17. NASDAQ hit 67 to be up 50. NASDAQ. All right, let's go.
approved this morning was.
There goes the gold pushing up. Damn, that gold was good. I got caboose earlier. What happened? 47.2, what? NASDAQ? You long NASDAQ there? I think the NASDAQ has another 10 on it. S&Ps can get to 17. Very, very quiet. And again, if anybody wants access to my live stream every single day, you can access to my live stream, 7-day free trial. You can just text me, 914-500-7484. Make sure you put your full name and email. I'm lost as to which gap is being talked about. He has his own gap, so you're looking at a 1 minute chart.
Yeah, there's a gap at 73. If you're trading S&P 500, I mean, I'm sorry,
NASDAQ.
NASDAQ.
But you're looking at a 1 minute chart.
Yeah, 1 minute chart at 818.
Here,
Gap up there.
let's see if I can see it on here. I'll bring it up.
And 25,
I'll show you here
696. Yeah.
if I can see it.
You got
I don't see the 1 minute chart gap.
no.
Uh.
818.
I don't have candles.
Well,
Well,
you know, whatever you trade.
I don't see it here. There's a gap here that got filled.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the gap at 73? I don't see
Well,
it.
it's an overlapping gap.
The flat top, which because you.
I don't see a gap.
You won't see it.
I know. Oh yeah, we don't see it with these, weird candles that you use.
Yeah,
Trade that, change that to a real candle.
I don't even know how to change it to a candle.
I can do it.
Oh no, I'll have a heart attack.
No, come on.
No, I can't look at candles. My head will spin.
Why?
I can't.
You'd love it.
I'm too old for this
Well,
crap.
so am I. I mean, look, at
No.
least you have more hair than I do.
I know, but still,
Okay.
I can't look at candles.
I
Can't
can,
look
I
at-
can screenshot They'll, whoever is asking. And,
I
we can see it.
screenshot it and then I'll send it in the Discord.
Yeah, I'll send it.
Yeah,
We have.
my stripes have been earned and
Exactly.
retired. I'm
Yeah,
exhausted.
there we go.
He's not looking at the camera.
No, I'm not doing candles. Candles are for birthdays. Come on, Artanya, 8 away from 73.
I'll only have, I'm
Go to candles. I'm like, no way in hell am I going to candles. Why would I attract more people with candles? I can't change at this stage of my life.
No, you shouldn't.
We have our own candles.
Candles start fires. Exactly, Rocky Mountain. Betty's not well today.
They do very well for me, though.
It's man, is it quiet today? If these S&Ps push up to the 17, 18, probably looking for a short. NASDAQ could get up to 80 here. And gold just died. Gold just completely died after that push down. One long on the gold so far. I want to see the Nasdaq get caboosed. S&P's up 8, Nasdaq up about 50 off the low. What news caused the pencil down? I have no idea. That's a good question, Frank. We were out to dinner, and our Tom mentioned that gold just got absolutely cabooshed.
I think we hope.
You could. Those 15s are turning up.
Yeah, whoever's.
Denny's picking. I don't know how Denny. Denny, how are you picking the names?
Are you talking about like the people who share the stream?
Yeah.
So I get because I am on the back end. I can see whenever someone tags my funded futures or my funded
S&Ps are up
TV
to how much, Schwartz?
on Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. I can see that stuff. So that's how I'm going through and picking names.
Got bear flags here, our time. Be careful.
I only have one contract.
I would take maybe like a scalp short, 73 up to 03. S&Ps.
Yeah, I saw yours.
I'd go 16 like to 21 range. I would use micros here. Okay. Get one more push down here, our time. Be careful.
I am.
Tag my funded futures, my funded TV. You could tag me if you want. I'll be able to see all of it. Like someone just did it right now.
Denny's
The
not
great-
well tonight.
The great Saya Man, he just posted the stream. Yeah, he just posted on X. I saw it.
Rallied. S&Ps rallied 11 off the lows here.
It's at 81.
Now, Q Mendez. I can see everybody that's posting it right now.
God, gold's doing nothing. Nasdaq rallied about 60 off the lows here.
I can't see Facebook. I don't even know if my funded futures has a Facebook. It can be either on TikTok, Twitter, or YouTube. But you have to make sure that you're tagging us because if you don't tag us, we can't see it.
All right, look to cover the S&Ps 15 and a quarter, 16 and a quarter range. Nasdaq, you look to cover anywhere 68 and a half to 74 and a half range. S&P's dropping here. Nasdaq's getting cabooshed. S&P's, look at the Nasdaq drop. Arton, be careful. That was a bear flag.
I'm flat.
Should have shorted them.
Huh?
Should have shorted them.
No,
Nasdaq
no,
just
no,
dropped
no,
20.
It's still gonna go up.
It just dropped 17.
I know, but I was long and I cut it. I'm not gonna right now.
Good job, Frank. That's a great. Look at the S&P's drop. You get the short?
Oh, yeah.
No, I was in the long.
What?
NASDAQ.
You got out? You didn't get the short though?
No, I didn't get. I got
Okay.
out at the. I got out of the.
What'd you
long
make
at
on
the
that?
top.
It
277.
adds up.
Okay.
They don't.
Good job, Frank. S&P's cabooshed. NASDAQ cabooshed. Our time they said you got to find the reverse button.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I have it right here.
No, I'm saying when I called the short, that was a beautiful. Look at the ADX is rising. So here's what I saw, if I could show you. Okay, if you look at the 15-minute time frame right here, okay, you see the 15-minute time frame. The ADXs are rising. So when you have the ADXs rising, okay, and you get the first bounce on the 5-minute, that's why I called that short. From the ADXs are rising. Anybody short S&Ps or NASDAQ? I mean, really don't get that many trades. Really, S&Ps just dropped 3. NASDAQ just dropped about 18. Nobody took that short. Very, very, very rare do we get a lot of trades on the index futures here. But that might change. If you're short, I would lower your stops. Okay? Jennifer! Get in there, Jennifer. Now it's like, lower your stops. I would lower your stops, Willy. Willy, if you're short. Michael, 5 points only. Lower your stops. Again, if anybody knew, I did sold 16 and bought 30. Andrew Knapp, great job, Andrew Knapp. Great job. You guys want to see a great pattern today? Let me show you this great pattern while we have this moment. Look at the GLDs. So the underlying, you can't trade gold during the U.S. session without looking at the underlying ETF. Right, Jennifer? Jennifer learned this from me. So when the GLDs reversed to buy right here, and that was around 12 o'clock, okay, it correlated with its 15-minute time frame. So you get your first pullback on the 15, and then the second pullback on the 15 really was also the first pullback on the 30-minute. The GLD's 36608, boom. Gold rallied $10 off that 30-minute. Now here's the other thing that you need to look at too, is that the 60-minute MACDs here, okay, the 60-minute MACDs are positive. There's no big selling pressure. Even though the algorithm is negative on the 60-minute, you can see here that the MACDs are positive here. The algorithm is bullish, correlates with the 15, and that's why you were able to take that long on the gold. You need to look at the underlying ETFs when you're trading, okay, the continuous contracts. Okay, Kieran O'Keefe, what a good Irishman right there. Kieran, all right. I just wanted to show you that. Restrooms all the way to the end. When was your last day?
Yeah.
What time was your flight?
7.
7 p.m.?
7:10, yeah, 7:10.
We're gonna have dinner.
Huh?
We're
It
gonna-
has to be early.
Oh, can't.
I mean, when I say early.
Oh no, but you'll never make it.
What do you mean? Said you're gonna have dinner at Palm Beach,
West Palm.
West Palm.
You're probably. I gotta see how far the airport is.
And I'll come. I'll come again. Maybe
I-
for New Year's.
I don't mean that. I'm just saying. I mean, if you guys get there and get a table, and just get there at 5.
Kobe has it.
Oh my God,
I mean,
no.
I'm gonna just
I know I could Uber from here.
Yeah.
I get David to drive him.
Oh, yeah, either way, someone. You know,
What time? What time's this flight?
I think 5:30, I'll confirm it right now, but
I
Even if you go over.
no, it can't happen.
yeah, no, forget about it.
Yeah.
I mean, you guys can have dinner, it's fine.
No.
Take a quick,
I wanted to show you this restaurant.
yeah, quick one.
We'll figure it out later. We'll
Yeah.
talk about it.
Yeah, no worries.
Can somebody tell Connor Michael Jacques? Can you tell Connor since he's a member, he's supposed to be listening in our member community, not on YouTube. Edra's always saying we're always talking about where we're going to eat. Artan.
Who?
Edra from Alabama.
Oh,
Is
yeah?
saying we're always talking about where we want to eat. There goes the gold.
Life is too short, we gotta enjoy it.
Gotta enjoy.
For sure, yeah.
Right. If the 60 reverses to sell, yes, you short the first bounce on the 5, then the second bounce on the 15. If you want to see a Picasso, like I showed you earlier on the S&P futures, sorry. If you want to see here, right? If you want to see here, the 30-minute reverses to sell, negative MACD, blue over yellow above my pivot line. You short the first bounce on the 15, 35s, kabooshed, right there. Look, 20 down. There goes the gold, kaboom. You took a fine time to leave me, Lucille. Come on, can we get to 500 tonight? And again, anybody new who has not signed up, I see some people sending me, okay, if you, Johnny DePaza, I think you sent me it already. You're going to get it again, Johnny, okay? I mean, if you didn't get it, and what?
And,
You bought them just now?
yeah, well, I mean, I was pretty heavy on.
There you go. How many micros are you long on the gold?
I went heavy,
Oh, big ones.
yeah.
Oh, you went long on the big ones.
I went with short, but
How many?
9.
9 big ones?
Yeah.
Okay. And how many MQ? NASDAQ futures.
Good MNQs.
MNQs is,
MNQs is the micro.
yeah, on gold. On the NASDAQ.
Oh, yeah, NASDAQ.
How many?
Yeah.
30?
Well, it was nothing.
90 micros?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That equals to 9.
There goes the gold. My funded futures, unbelievable. Great firm. They've given away close to 500, over 500, 50K core accounts. All right, an hour and 3 minutes ago, man, an hour flew by here. Let me get another 40 to 500. What happened?
It's still going.
Come on, we got to hit the like buttons, and please hit the subscribe button too. I've given out 452 7-day free trials. I mean, come on. Okay, that's crazy. Forex Elite, I agree. Forex Elite. What else? I'm not using candles. No way. Our time almost try to change my my screen to candles. I almost had a heart attack.
Then we could do, do that way, we could all.
I don't even know how do you do these candles on this thing.
It's simple.
All right.
1 minute.
All right, do it here because I've never seen what candles look like. I'm willing to try. Okay, just but you could put it back if I have a heart attack, right?
Don't worry about it. It's
All right,
literally
yeah.
2 seconds.
Yeah. How do you do candles on this thing? Style?
Here we go,
Oh
right
my
here.
God, candles.
Candles.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
don't you love it?
No, love what? I can't even understand it.
It's simple. You see? Now you can see the gaps. You can see the wicks. You can see the opening, close.
I really do love you, but you're driving me crazy. Oh my God. Are you crazy?
But
Oh my God. What the heck?
yeah, exactly.
What the hell is this?
That's a candle. That's actually you could fill it with whatever color you want.
I don't care about filling it, but what the hell?
That's a
what the
candle.
hell does it mean?
It's the same thing as this. Like that's the body, right? You have the body open,
Yeah.
close. The same thing here. Body open, close. I mean,
I can't even understand this.
yeah.
What is this? Doji?
Yeah, well, I mean, what that's a doji up there, but that's indication of the thing is going to just
This is a doji?
yeah.
Oh my God. Really?
Come on, yeah. It's
How the hell are you supposed? That's a doji right there,
Yeah, this is a doji.
and that's a doji.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
you got killed.
I didn't. Yeah, well, a little bit, but
Oh my God.
Want to bring it back?
I mean, I'll watch it for a second, but I can't even understand it.
It's simple.
It's simple for
Yeah.
you.
I mean, this thing is like gibberish to me.
I know, but this is all mushad for me.
This telling you how much volume is going into a candle. I mean, I can
Oh,
read
no.
that. I can breathe that damn thing. This makes no sense to me. Potato.
Potato. Watch how fast I'm going to go back to my bar charts, my bars.
You could just style it. No,
style?
Yeah, right here.
And what do I hit?
And hit your whatever you trade in.
I don't know.
Oh,
Oh,
but-
this
yeah,
one?
Yeah, I think it's trading that. Thing.
Oh, I'm back. Thank God. Whew. Oh my God. Oh my God Almighty. Well, we tried.
There we go.
Tried. How the hell you read that? My head hurts. Artan's not converting. No way.
Oh, no, Want me to lose money? Then yeah. I could convert myself to Steve's everything except the, from Hakinashi. No,
Hakanashi.
Whatever what it's called.
Who's he?
Is it Hakinashi candles? I call them,
Oh my God, this gold just dropped. All right.
again.
Wow, from 85.
To what, 80?
Artan, I'll tell you, Artan, if you can trade, I'll tell you right now, I know you don't like doing this, right? But if you could trade oil based upon looking at the underlying ETF, when the 60 reverses sell with the 30 and the 15, you short the bounces on the 5, oil drop 20, 20, 20. I'm not saying you have to trade oil, but oh wow, look at the gold just dropped 2.5. Market's going to get killed here when these 15s reverse.
I want market to keep, stay.
Why?
So that way we could just.
Carlo, I'm not going to trade with a challenge. I'll be in the hospital if I had to study those oh my God, my head was spun. Oh my God.
But you can simplify. You could change to whatever color you want.
I'm not saying that though, but this is to me so much easier to read. It's a pattern. I can see it.
Yeah, but your eyes are used to.
My eyes are colored to green. I got to go red, green. My eyes.
No, you could change all green.
What, to
Well,
candles?
Yeah, you could just change it to anything you want. I mean, I usually like them pink, but
Pink. I'm just
no, mine are the red candles are actually black and the candles are green. But
Holy shit, look at gold, yeah.
gold should, if as though it should go. I think
I just shorted gold up there.
95.
I just shorted gold at 88.
Gold wants to turn positive.
You have underlying strength on the 30 and 60-minute time frame.
Yeah, exactly.
I covered too fast on that. Gold just hit 88. Oof. Well, that was fast on the gold. Kaboosh those candles. I agree.
Kaboosh.
They said if I leave gold, if I leave the candles one color, you wouldn't know if they were up or down.
Yes, you do.
I don't know. I'm just repeating what.
Oh.
I use black background with
You
the
know from
blue.
previous candle. You know from pre-
He has up in red. Okay.
I mean, it's so
All right.
simple. Tell you which one is up when you.
I don't know. I could just see it so much better. I don't know.
mean,
Maybe, I'm so used to it right now. Do you expect me to change it to say, look, Arton, these S&Ps just got kabooshed here.
Yeah.
Nasdaq just dropped here 23.
I mean, I'm done with
The
trading.
15s are gonna roll over here.
If 650 breaks on Nasdaq.
Oh freak! I sold this gold at 88. It covered down $1. So 25.
600. Yeah.
On at 600.
Yeah.
Anybody short that gold on that push up just now? No, I was just watching. 20 more for 500. Beautiful bear flag on the S&Ps before, right into the 10 bar at 16, 17 and a quarter. Nasdaq got up to 79. Let's see here. Gold just got kaboosh $4. Damn it. You got the short on the gold, Jeff? Good job. Jeff got the short. Good job, Jeff. Jeff, I'll call you tonight. I'm going to make a note of this. I got to talk to you. I've been so busy. I apologize. I can't believe I shorted the gold up there and oh, Jesus. No, I didn't call it. No. I just saw it happen so fast. Gold's got any push down on the gold should make a higher low. This gold might have to be bought, actually. So the 5-minute time frame on gold reversed to buy. So any push down should make a higher low here. The link's not working. It's lightning quick. I agree. We were 20 away from 500. I don't think Denny's feeling good tonight, guys. All right. If you want to take a scalp long on the gold, 75.5, 82.5 range. These 5-minute time frames right here should hold here. Thank you, Alex. Get better soon. Denny, 1 hour, 52 minutes to go here. There goes the gold right back up. 3900, 3990 on gold, possibly. All right. Again, everybody, I have a podcast every night. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Okay, at 6 p.m. I have technical difficulty. I do something tonight, so there goes the gold. All right, I cancel that buy range. All right. Let's see here. We're gonna do some giveaways here in 7 minutes. Do some giveaways here. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. 914-500-7484 if you like to reach out to get the 7-day free trial. Very quiet. Well, if you want to look at the bigger time frames here, you can see the bigger time frames. This Bitcoin just dropped here. If you look at the bigger time frames on the S&P here, you can see the S&Ps on the bigger time frame. If you take out the 6732, the algorithm's going to reverse here. Look at the weekly. You want to see, look at this, the first target, 6677. I think the market's poised for a pretty big drop here. That's the weekly. Let's do the monthly really quick. Monthly still 600 points from the 10 bar. Little by little, you'll pass. Just chip away, chip away, chip away. I do my podcast right after the market hours, and then it's aired at 6 p.m. Tonight will be aired later because I had to do something personal. I think the Nasdaq's going to get killed. So here's the biggest problem, okay? You want to know what I'm thinking? I told you about the $12 trillion that comes due. Look at this big problem here, okay? The 30-year bonds. They're down almost 3 points since we've had 2 interest rate cuts, right? If you look at the weekly, okay, and then the monthly cannot get going. Monster bear flag on the monthly. If these push down here to 13, 14, rates are going to go to 10 years at 4.1% right now, right? So this is not really boding well for, and the daily reversed to sell. So we dropped 3 points. Normally, if you're in a dovish point, okay, you basically look at these S&Ps drop. Our time Nasdaq just got killed down 40.
Yeah, it got 40.
It dropped 40.
Yeah.
5-minute reverse to buy on the gold. Yep. You want to try to see if you get a pullback on the 5 against the 30 and 60. All right, can we get to 500? Sev Kai. Let's see here. The S&Ps just get down to here. Oh wait. All right. See what's gonna happen here. Denny, we're gonna do in 3 minutes. We're gonna do a giveaway, Denny. Up 740 trading.
Steven, in like 2 or 3 more minutes, I'm gonna do a giveaway.
All right. Can we get the 500? Anybody? Come in Manila. Aaron, I got to tell you, Aaron, I'm so proud of you, man. I've known Aaron such a long time, and I'm really, really, really just so proud of him. couple people have texted me, but I remember your names. You should be getting. Please check your junk mail, okay? For the 7-day free trial. I know we should get 1,000 a night. What's going on here? I mean, between my YouTube, but what about 550, 600? But we should have north of 1,000. I agree. Aaron, good job, Aaron, today. Aaron. I agree, Alex. Thank you. All right. See here. Show me the money. Very quiet. Some nights gold going bananas. Tonight the S&P and Nasdaq. Elegant Store Casa. If you want a free 7-day free trial, you can send it to me.
Boosh. We're on.
Very quiet.
Will time.
All right.
Weekend, are you here?
I don't know. I was supposed to. Oh, jeez, these S&P. I was supposed to.
When?
Bitcoin's not as short yet. Bitcoin's still in. I was supposed to come one weekend. I don't know yet, but I may come Friday or Sunday.
All right, let me know.
L.A.
Weekend, are you
That's
here?
what I'm saying.
Weekend.
Damn it! These S&Ps just ran 5. All right.
On once.
Yeah, of course. I'd love to come out to see
Twice.
you.
Like me.
Not
Of course.
here.
No,
Moving on to
stop
the
it.
next. Weekend. Cliff Daniel, are you here? I got him. I got you, Weekend. I got you, Weekend.
Lenny, how you doing today?
Cliff Daniel.
Come on.
I am.
That was very, very close, Weekend.
On what? Gold?
No.
And Q, that was a beautiful bear flag. You were long it. You wrote it up on the lawn with our time.
Cliff Daniel, are you here?
Short. I said 73 to 03. The high was 79. It never got. How you stop
Who won
yourself
yesterday, Diego? Cliff Daniel did not win yesterday. Not here. Gone.
Hey, Jack Skeleton, how are you? Trading for keeps, Ethan. Aaron, great job, Aaron.
Michael gets off. Where you at?
Come on, gold. Let's see. Bitcoin, I would not look to short Bitcoin here. The 30
Hey,
and
I
60
see you,
minute
Michael.
time frames are still bullish. JL. How many are you doing now, Denny? Sorry, I apologize.
I'm doing what's it called 5 on the wheel, and then 3 from who shared the stream, and then I'm doing another 5 at 9:45, and another 2 who shared the stream. So overall, it's going to be 15 winners tonight.
Oh, great.
John, where you at? John Dillon, where you at, John? John, I see you, John. Congrats. Danny, I didn't get a pay. Dario, where you at, Dario? Danny, I didn't get a payout for over a year and a half while trading futures.
Are you serious?
Yeah, for a year and a half, I never received payouts, or I couldn't get to the payout part. And then I don't know, something clicked, and I started doing really good. Dario, I see you, Dario. And I've gotten at least one payout every single month this year. J Trade, where you at?
Hey, J Trade.
Trader want that?
No, J Trade.
Oh, Jay. I was like, what? I was like, I know that dude. Oh.
I need to take some Dayquil. J Trade, congrats. All right. For the people who shared the stream, first person is Wild Deuces. Wild Deuces, where you at? Yeah, Wild Deuces, where you at?
Wild deuces couldn't drag me away.
Wild Deuces, congrats. All right. Next
How many is
person
that, Denny?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 right now. Next person is Trend. Trend, are you here? I don't know how to pronounce that last name.
Wild deuces is here.
Yeah, I got him already.
Okay.
I got 2 more to do, and then I'm gonna give it back to you, Steven.
Okay. Man, it's dead, man.
Yeah, it really
This is brutal.
You know?
I can't remember it being this quiet like this.
Trend, I see you here. I don't even know how to say that last name though. All right. And then next
Daniels is here.
person is Soy Sauce. Soy Sauce Smiley, are you here? Trend your friend. That's very true, son of Wall Street. Soy Sauce, congrats. All of y'all will receive your accounts either later tonight or tomorrow. Give it 24 hours, please. All right, Steven, back to you.
All right. Thank you. So that makes it probably over, I would say, about 600 giveaways from my funded futures, and I've given away over 452 7-day free trials. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations, everybody. All right. There was a nice plain oil here. Let's see here. Very quiet here. Listen, sometimes it happens, but I want to just show you another great pattern here. If you look at the IBITs today, which is the underlying ETF when you're trading Bitcoin, okay? If you look at the IBIT here, you can see the right here, the 60-minute time frame reversing to buy at 12:30. You can see the 30-minute reverses to buy here at 10 o'clock. And what is the strategy? I know it doesn't sound like much, but you buy the pullback right here into the this actually got a lot lower, but this beautiful pullback 58.51. That's 50 cents on a little more, 50 cents, and that was about 500 points. And then you got another pullback here at the end of the day, 59.02, rally 30 cents. So again, when you're using the underlying ETF, it's important also that you look at when you trade Bitcoin to use the underlying ETF, okay? To use the underlying ETF. There was a really great long here today I'll just show this really quickly. If you trade the Russell futures, you can see that the 30-minute time frame gapped up, reverses the buy at 10. The 60 reverses the buy right here. You can see here at 12:30. And then the strategy is what? You buy the first pullback on the 15. Where was that? That was around 2 o'clock. That was like right around here. It pulls in to the sorry, I can look at the Russell. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. The Russell reverses the buy here at 12:30. It correlates with the 15 and the 30-minute time frame right here, and you can see you look to buy the first pullback on the 15 right here, beautiful long right there, 244.56, and then boom, rallies $1.20. Great. All right, let's see here. Couldn't get to 500, but we were close. Shadow Dragon, great job. But I'm in 600 drawdown on the sim funded. Sorry, I changed it to the IWMs. I think they're going to try to maybe get one more push up here. My view on gold. Let's see. My view on gold. Well, let me look at the bigger time frames here. Very, very, very quiet here. Jesus. Here's the 15-minute. Little bear flag there. The 30-minute. I would say with these negative MACDs, if the 15s and the 30s get overbought into this negative MACD, I don't think gold's going past the 95, 97 range. I'll be looking for shorts. And the 60-minute, just flat right now. Still bullish on the 30 and 60, but the negative MACD on the 30 right here, I think it's going to run into a big roadblock here. Big roadblock. So if you look today on the spiders, on the 60-minute time frame, you can see all for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. 4 hours, we were just waiting. I'm telling people, we had a 97 overbought reading on the 60. They're going to drop, they're going to drop, they're going to drop, and boy, did they ever drop at the end of the day. You're making new highs, and the MACDs cannot confirm the high on the 60-minute time frame, right? Unbelievable. Waited all day for that. All day. Okay? Waited all day for that. Again, if you'd like to get access to my 7-day free trial, please text me with your full name and email, and I will make sure you get a free 7-day free trial. This is a tough one here. Very quiet. Anybody new have any questions here? Oh, Aaron's the best. Okay? He made 1,500 on one mini long. On what? On which one? Oh, on the S&Ps? Well, I don't know, but I don't like doing single lot entries. Asia opened at 8 tonight. Right, Jennifer? Patience pays. Oof. Jennifer's like, finally we got a cabooshin. You could text me. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. There goes the gold. This gold can go to 90. Then he's not feeling well. I'm exhausted. Markets are slow. I'm going to kill myself. Is gold a short here? No, not yet. No, not yet. We just had 480 on here. We just dropped 43. My email? No, you text me. You text me and with your full name and email. Give it up. Oh, so nice my friend paid for dinner. I didn't even expect that. So this pattern right here, this is where I said to look to buy the gold below 83.5. It actually traded right happened before I said it. Now the 5 minute time frame correlated with the 30 and the 60. You can see the 15s are negative. When you get the deep oversold condition and the 15 reverses to sell, you could buy that against the 30 and 60 minute time frame. Depending on the volatility, depending on the pattern, you go maybe one. I like to do maybe every one and a half, maybe one every two. Today, when the S&Ps were trading up, I was doing every 2 points on the S&P. I was like, I'm just giving you an example. I was 51, then 53, then 55, and then 57. So, yeah, that's it. That's it. Very quiet. I tell you, no. Artan and I are going to the Michigan. We're going to freeze our tushies off. Michigan, Ohio State in Michigan, November 29th. And we're going to go and we're going to have a ball. But we're going to be sitting on the Ohio State sideline. You can't wear a Michigan jersey, Artan. You'll get killed.
Yeah, I won't.
You can't. Bear Trader 64, have a good night. Here goes the gold. Goes the gold. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Oh man. I think Bitcoin may get one more push up here. Betty, what's your opinion with Elon Musk's payout? Good for him. He deserves it. What is it? How much is it? $1 trillion? He gets $1 trillion tomorrow?
No, I think it's.
Jesus. Yeah, that's all you got?
Got $1 trillion?
Yeah.
No, not you.
No, I think he's getting it. Yeah. I mean,
But I don't think it's. Thing is, they. Making up for the.
This gold gets up to the 90.30, up to the 97.30. I like to short it.
Insane.
How much is supposed to get?
$1 trillion.
Well, how are you going to pay him?
Exactly.
In Tesla cars?
I think it's not option.
Stock option.
Really?
Yeah.
Another caboose on the S&Ps.
Very good, I mean,
The value of the company would be nowhere near.
billionaires, whatever you never exist.
I agree.
Starlink satellite. That's for sure.
Over
I
1,000,
thought that was
meaning
good.
over 4,000.
Oh, it's already up there?
Kobe.
He's right back. We had enough of it.
Oh yeah, I'll give you some. Absolutely, you can text him. Good man.
All right, I just wanna
Tony's
make
a great
sure.
guy. You kidding me?
Yeah, no,
Great guy.
Some people have an issue
No,
sharing it.
Tony's a great guy, man.
Oh, no, I mean, yeah, I just,
Yeah,
you know, thank you.
What did the goal? I just bought him back. Sold 92s, 92 and a half, 93s. Well, yeah, the goal's gonna get lower your stops on the cover between the 90 and 91 and a half if you're short. I look to cover. Top 70 people. Yeah. I think my internet went on and off. Gold, if you're short, lower your stops on the gold. I think this NASDAQ can get up to the 97 here, our time.
Yeah? Oh,
Anybody short the gold? You short the gold?
Yeah.
Come on, try to make some money here on it.
I'm working on it.
S&P's taking off now. I think S&P can get up to 18, 19. Who got the gold? Jennifer, great job, Jennifer. All right. Why don't I like David? David, I don't like single lot entries. So you're gonna sell? You're gonna sell a gold at 90 and a half and watch it go to 95? And what do you do then? Hunt? I mean, you could do what you want. I don't like single lot entries. FAA to cut about 10% of flights out of 40 major airports.
Yeah.
Our time, you may never get home.
All right, you know, it's all right.
Stay with me, Arton. Don't worry, I got you.
Fair enough, that.
Nasdaq gets up to the maybe the 86 to 16. S&Ps to get up to the 17 and a half to the 22 and a half. Probably look for shorts. All right. Let's see here. All right. We had about, I don't know, between 480 and almost 600 tonight. What was the S&P and the NASDAQ? Where am I here looking? Thinking like maybe 17 and a half to 22 and a half range. NASDAQ, you can go 86, 87 up to 17. Let's see if this gold can push up here. This gold's going to have a problem with the 30-minute. Wild Deuce wants to know how do we connect on here, right?
On what?
He wants we connected on the YouTube, right?
Oh, with who?
You mean you?
Oh, yeah, through here, yeah.
Yeah.
Through chat.
Yeah. All right, we got about 21 minutes. And again, if anybody wants a 7-day free trial, please text me your phone name and email. You will get a 7-day free trial to my live stream and learn the divergences, learn the patterns, and learn about the methodology. Okay? You can cover this NASDAQ between the 80 and 88 range, if I would look to cover. It was the push up on the S&P. Yeah, I tried to buy it down there. It got to 08. I was thinking 06 and a half again. Oh. Delta hedging. Do I have to, David? I'll call you after the hour market closes. S&Ps look to cover anywhere between the 15 and a quarter, 17 and a quarter. David, I'll call you after. Street beats. Thank you very much. Just 5 micro. If you're gonna do 5 micros, you need to scale them. So today, I want to be very clear. Gentleman who joined my live stream, I was very nice, and he was doing single lot entries. And it's very difficult to do single lot entries. Okay, very difficult. I don't think it's something that you should really be doing on single lot entries here. Is the gold short done? Oh yeah, it dropped like 2.5. It was a scalp short. You could, I said look to cover gold between 90 and 91.5. I looked to cover. Where? On the upside?
Yeah,
Where?
that's
Then you go down first though.
but as long as the VWAP. Yeah, we got 20 minutes, so.
Could be. Want to short this gold 93.80 to even 80. Boom, kabooshed. Artan, you got a second, Artan?
Sure, yeah. So talk to
This
me.
is open P&L. It shows no positions though. What is going on here?
Open P&L.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, it's going down, and you have a loan here, right?
You know,
Yeah, you.
it says no position.
Okay, now you don't.
I never did, but look, it's
Yeah, that thing is moving. You definitely
I
have.
don't
Oh,
have-
you have 9 right here. You have a position on ES short.
oh, how did I didn't click on
I
that.
have no idea. But you're in a 9 ticks. You could always exit if you
Yeah,
want
no,
to.
it's fine. I just show.
Got 3 minis.
Oh, I didn't touch the S&Ps.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I got it. Don't worry.
That's a break even, I guess.
Yeah, that's when I close it. Here goes the Nasdaq.
Yeah, you still have 3 though. Nasdaq wants to push a little bit higher before it jumps.
Look at the gold get kabooshed. Oh my God. Oh my God, that gold got kabooshed.
We good?
I gotta worry about the S&Ps and Nasdaq now. Anybody still short that gold? This Nasdaq should drop here. Cover the Nasdaq anywhere from the 88 to 98 range. I would look to cover. Let's see here. Oh my God, that short on the. Oh my God, that short on the gold. Okay, was that short on the gold? Just to be honest with you. Yeah, it's bullshit though. I didn't touch the S&Ps though.
I don't know
I was shorting gold the whole way up. I didn't touch the stupid freaking S&Ps.
Yeah, and you still have an order pending here. So
Where?
you want to just cancel it?
No, S&Ps look to cover anywhere between the 17.5, 19.5 range. Look at this gold. You see that gold?
Yeah.
That's off the 30-minute time frame. I don't understand. I didn't touch this thing.
Because I think you have orders sometimes.
I hit cancel. Thank you.
What about here? You don't
Yeah. Wow, what a short on that gold. Thank you, Artan. Wow, wow, wow.
Ready
Wow.
for more giveaways, Steven?
Yeah, let's do some. They were good tonight. A lot of good people here. What do you think, Denny?
Yeah, I think they did really good tonight.
How many are you doing?
I'm still doing 15 for tonight. We got some different type of giveaways coming next week, so I want to stick with what I'm doing for right now.
Can I just make an announcement, Denny?
Yeah, go ahead.
I've given away I've given away over 452. These are only for new people. Only for new people. Okay? Only for new people. For the 7-day free trial. And don't try to scam me and forgaze me. And look at it. Look at the NASDAQ S&P's drop. Wow. Okay? Sorry about that, Denny. Thank you. Anybody? Lower your stops in the NASDAQ. 88 to 98, I would cover shorts. S&Ps, could just look to cover 17 and a quarter, 17 and a half, 18 and a half range. I look to cover. All right. Okay, sorry, Danny.
Todd Timmons.
Todd Timmons.
Where you at, Todd? Oh.
Okay. Should have been a good.
The link is over. Regeeks. Todd Timmons. I see you, Todd Timmons.
Todd Timmons, you here?
Yeah, he's there.
I ain't using candles.
They're for birthday cakes only.
I ain't using candles. I only did that for Arton. Let me see if I would have called that.
The Punisher, are you
The
here?
Punisher. Was that on the studies?
On the
I
Drawings?
see you.
style, right here. Yeah. And then you have candles.
With a trend or candle?
Yeah, I use that candle. So,
This one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh my God! Oh my!
Come
I would
on.
never. Okay.
Look at the beauty of
Okay,
it.
I would never been able to call that short.
Why not?
I just can't.
But Doji, look, move it a little bit. You see that? Doji?
Neil Lockie. Here, I want to show y'all
What?
something real quick
Coming
while we wait
down.
on Neil
You
Lockie.
know,
Look at that. Look at
because
that.
the-
Look at
you
what
know-
they did to
What about
Steven's
that
chart.
doji?
Huh?
What about
Look
that
at
doji?
that.
It all depends
They
on the
messed it
trend.
up.
But you see, it's a red candle right next to it.
Neil Lockie, I
I was
see you.
buying that pullback.
But it's fine. You could buy it as long as it doesn't break this right here. You're good.
Oh, I can't do this. I'll be in the hospital.
Really?
Yeah.
Ethan, you're crazy.
Yeah, I'll be in
Where's
the
your
hospital.
grandma at tonight?
that I can.
I can't. I'll be in the hospital.
If I trade those candles,
I think part of
Oh my God, I'll be in the hospital. If I had to do that, I wouldn't even.
PG contract.
we'd have to study that. For,
Grandma's sleeping. Wake her up. She's
Mine?
supposed to be watching
no,
us.
yeah, the candles, the way you trade.
me too.
Because for me, it's like I don't need indicator. I don't need anything except
PG
the
contract.
chart.
Where
If
you
I
at?
see the candles,
David, you're
then I
welcome.
can make a decision easy. The candles tell you pretty much.
I don't
what's
know.
happening.
There you are.
I'd be popping Advil every 4 hours. I'd be like this. My liver would be damaged in about 4 months.
All right, one more.
I can't look at that.
Yeah, no, because you're
I'm a dinosaur.
yeah, but there's nothing wrong with it.
I don't know.
People do that, but
And Cameron Fisher. Cameron Fisher. Where you at, Cameron Fisher?
Goes in there.
Come on
But the
down.
indicators, it's the-
use flip.
To the price.
Denny, how many are you doing now, Denny?
I'm still doing 15.
Indicators affect either you trade.
Look at that, yeah.
Total 30 on the day or 15?
No, 15 in total.
Got it.
I got 2 people who shared the stream. Let me pull up my list again. All right. First person is going to be Mick Sun. Mick Sun, where are you at?
Everything, yeah.
Cindy, you got to be watching the entire thing. Mick Son, where you at? Mick Son.
Hope you guys covered your shorts in the S&P and NASDAQ.
Son of Wall Street is Mick Son? That's Mick Son? All right, all right. You need to start using your YouTube name, please. Let's see. All right. And last but not least, we're going with
Yeah.
Ethan. Ethan, congrats.
One day make up what, you know, a disaster. As long as you stay in.
Where's Grandma?
Tomorrow should be a good day.
Yeah. You have to wake up, and not like wake up, just clear my head.
That's it, you know. Of course, the outcome is going to be very, very bad.
All right, that's it for giveaways tonight. Give it 24 hours and you will receive your account.
There you
Kevin,
go. Thank you, Denny.
stop
Thank you.
it.
Thank you for My Funded Futures for sponsoring tonight.
Never a problem.
Especially with top firms.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Denny, how you feeling, Denny? A little bit better or not really?
No, I got a massive headache. Ready to go to sleep.
Oh my
Tired.
God.
Head hurts. I think I'm gonna have, like, you know, when you start getting sick and the next day your entire body starts hurting.
You know, the gold trades.
But unless, I think heat it up with
Catalyst, yeah.
small. Where
Oh yeah.
that,
Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations.
points, so that's what
Good job, Ivy League trading. Good night, Michael Jacques. Good night. Weather is changing here in Southern California. To what?
nice weather.
Michael Jacques.
Michael Jacques.
Good night, Michael Jacques. David P. Let's see. A little higher. I want to see the 15s get a little bit more of a bar. There goes the gold right back down, right back up. All right. Sounds like he's got the flu. Oh. Got to be the eighth wonder of the. This has got to be the eighth wonder of the world. How in God's creation the S&Ps are above 6,500, 6,800. So we play a little game during the day called under over or over under, over under, and basically, so basically at 9:15, wherever the S&Ps are, we make a prediction. I make a prediction, and I give two numbers. So today the number was 68.30, and for the 67.75, and the over was 68.30, and I bet over under. It means we're gonna close above 67.75 and under 68.30, and then around 3 o'clock they were still trading 68.49, and then they got cabooshed, and the S&Ps closed at 23.24. So I was 2 for 2 on the over under, on the over, whatever you want to call it, under over under. Good night, Ishimi 9780. Very, very quiet. All right. Great job, everybody. A little slow here today. Caught nice short on the S&Ps once, Nasdaq twice on the S&Ps, twice on the Nasdaq. One long gold, maybe one or two shorts on the gold. That's it. Another night, another banger. That's it. 44 the Punisher. Thank you very much, Rocky Mountain Trades. Good night, everybody. Nasdaq paid, though a few caught longs. I've got a couple minutes left to go in the game here. Very quiet. I don't expect the Supreme Court. How'd you do tonight? Do. What did you do?
I went,
Fought along with him.
and then
I called the bear flag around 2040, 2050.
I went,
You went short where? You did on something else.
Nine.
Just ask me if you're. Just ask me before you. How'd you do?
I did it.
Right? Now tomorrow, I want to see you. Go good with this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Good.
I was down.
I don't know what the hell you did. Jeff, have a good night. I'll call you soon, Jeff.
All I know is that I felt.
Denny, feel better, my brother. Denny.
Thank you, Stephen. Thank you. Are you ready to call it there tonight?
Couple more minutes. I just want to, couple more minutes. Yeah. Here?
Yeah.
Careful, the fives are turning up. That was a nice bull flag into 90. Rasco, are you new, Rasco? I don't remember talking to you, but if you're new, I'd love to. You can just text me. Go home to my crazy dog.
Crazy guy. It's a good.
He is a good boy. Poor dog was.
Who doesn't, right?
I know. That's true. He just. What's that?
You want to see what I did?
I might have to open a bottle of scotch.
You may.
No. Stay away from scotch.
No, I
no,
don't
no.
smoke it no more.
No, Mom.
Oh my God, Arton, that fan.
I promise next time I'll come in with a
Okay.
different computer, or I could just borrow one of yours.
You could. That's a server.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh well.
that's a server. But that's a powerful laptop, though.
Yeah, it is. Oh, this one is a machine. I mean, a beast.
I should get that for Aaron, though, maybe.
Yeah. Falcon traded for a lot of Wall.
Trading
They're in Utah.
in Utah.
Mm,
This thing I just bought on.
All right.
gaming laptop.
yeah.
That's it for tonight, I guess. All right, everybody have a great night. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow. A little slow, nice couple of trades here. Again, please watch my podcast every night on my SK Trading YouTube. Also, if you'd like to join my community of traders, please go to my website, sktrading.live. Also, if you'd like a 7-day free trials, only for people who have never been on my platform before, it's 7 days free. There's an expiration date, and please, only if you're new. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. Please text me your full name and email. I'll send you out a free link. Denny, get better, my brother. Get better. And we got to get to 1,000 a night, Denny. Let's go.
Yeah, we need to. But again, thank y'all for tuning in.
Thank
We'll
you,
see
everybody.
you tomorrow morning, and everyone have a great night.